Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, Abbas Experience in Aviation. This is part 7 about my study in British Council. This is the date of today, 11 January 2025. This is my photo, my channel, Abbas Aviation. This is other channel. 3 items I hope to complete them. The subject today, certificates from British Council in Egypt, Cairo, Aguza. This is the logo. The first course was English language course. Here, the date, 1993, September. This is the certificate. After that, I went to, or changed to the software computer. The database, not Microsoft. This is database, another branch. Level 3, the date 1994, and this is the certificate of British Council. This is Microsoft Excel 1994, and this is the certificate. Here, database or access, this is Microsoft, also level 3, 1996, and this is the certificate. This is the word processing, also Microsoft, the date 1994 here. This is the certificate. Here, the group of the software, Word, Excel, Access, and one certificate, Royal Society of Arts. Why these studies? I expected early that the engineer in aviation will need the software, all these softwares and programming. So I went early to the British Council and studied this. After that, I discussed with the representatives of Boeing and Airbus why your company must change the word tables in MPD, maintenance planning document or maintenance planning data. And instead, the word tables, change them to Excel. This is the table in Excel or Access. This is easy. The representatives agreed for that and discussed with their companies. Now the MPD became two formats, one PDF and the other Excel format. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.